Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Today we will do page number 68 and 69 of lesson 8 Okay. Today we will read about water animals, birds. Okay. Water animals. Some animals live in and around water. These animals live in the water or around the water. Okay. Some animals live in and around water. Fishes live only in water. Fishes live only in water. They cannot live on land. Okay. But animals like crocodile, tortoises, snakes, frogs, etc. live both means dono, both on land and in water. These animals can live on both on land and in water also. Okay. Name of the animals: fishes live only in water. Fish cannot live on land. Snake, frog, crocodile. These animals can live both on land and in water. Okay. Now we will read it again. Some animals live in and around water. Fishes live only in water. But animals like crocodiles, tortoises, snakes, frogs, etc. live both on land and in water. Okay. Now we will read about birds. These are birds. Okay. Birds have wings which help them to fly. All birds have wings. Okay. And with the help of wings they can fly. All birds lay eggs. Birds give eggs. They don't give direct birth to their babies. Okay. They lay eggs and they hatch the eggs, and after that babies come out from the eggs. Okay. They have feathers and their bodies are very light, which help them to fly. Feathers they cannot fly with the help of feathers. Okay. These are feathers. These small are feathers, and with the feathers wings developed. Okay. Feathers are small punks. These are not helpful in flying, but wings, these are wings. These big are wings, so they can fly with the help of wings, not with the help of feathers. Okay. And their bodies are very light in weight, very light, so they can fly easily. Heavy things cannot fly, you know this thing. Okay. Light things can fly, so their bodies are very light in weight. Okay. Now read the names of the birds. Crow, owl, pigeon, peacock, vulture, duck. Okay. These are birds. We will read it again. Birds have wings which help them to fly. All birds lay eggs. They have feathers and their bodies are very light, which help them to fly. Okay. Now next page. This is a game. Play this game. This is a game for you. Name of the game is Land, Water and Air. Number 1. Draw 2 circles on the floor as shown in the picture. Look here. This is 2 circles, 1 and 2. Okay. Call them land, water and air. Look here. Land. This is land outside the circle. This is water. This blue is water and this is air. Okay. When your teacher says the name of an animal who lives in water, you must jump into the part marked water. When your teacher will say the name of an animal who lives in water, then you will jump in water. Okay. In the same way, if she says the name of a bird that flies, you must jump into the circle marked air. When teacher will say the name of a bird that flies, you will jump in the air. Okay. If the teacher calls out the name of an animal living on the land, you must jump out on the area marked land. Okay, this is land and you will jump here. Anywhere you can jump outside this water circle. Okay. If someone jumps into the wrong part, if teacher says parrot, so you have to jump in the area air. And if you jump in water, so this is wrong, because parrot does not live in water. It flies in the air. Okay, so it will be wrong. He or she is out. Okay, the child who is not out at the end is the winner. The child who will not out at the end, he or she will be the winner. Okay, so you can play this game at your home with your brother and sisters and with your friends. Okay, so now you will read these 2 pages, page number 68 and 69, and you will learn the names of the animals, birds, and you will play this game also. Okay, thank you.